Hold on, let go. I can do it myself. See?
Wonder if somebody saw me walking across there and turned that on.
So this is the Clubhouse. You can rent it out, and it's also just free for campers to use.
I think my butt might be too big.
Man, they really thought these sites out. These are great sites.
It only makes sense that my clothes fall off. Are you going to sleep with your tongue out?
We have Chris here from Our Everyday Getaway. Okay, so we have Sophie here. She's the manager at the new state park campground, and the official name for it is?
It's going to be Gulf State Park RV Resort.
And tell me how many sites total there will be.
We have 107 sites currently. They are going to have a second phase, most likely. And roughly we'll, in the end, have closer to over 200 sites with that second phase.
What's the base price for these? Are they going to be the same as the other campground, or will they be more expensive?
They're going to be a little bit more expensive than the other campground, but the pricing is going to be kind of in the similar pattern where pull-throughs are more expensive, the back-ends are going to be cheaper. And how the current campground has the waterfront sites, these don't have any waterfront sites. So the base rate starts in the 70s, while the other campground starts in the 64s, the base rate, and they go up from there.
Okay, now how big are these sites? What are the range and footage?
The back-end sites will fit 45 feet, and the pull-through sites will fit 65 feet.
Okay, and then you're opening May 3rd, which is only about 3 days away. How are the sites? May 6th, sorry.
Yes.
How are the sites filling up? Are they booking up, or what's going on with that?
We have currently for the month of May a little over 100 reservations so far. So they're starting to get booked. I think the hesitation is people want to see the campground before they book it. So I think once the campground officially is open and people are actually able to see the sites, we'll get more booking. But
Okay, so now I do know, and I've heard that, so if you are staying in the other campground, you still have access to come over here as long as you have the parking pass with you. Is that correct?
well, so you can bike to this side. The issue is that parking is very limited. You have only the Clubhouse parking, and so you can access this campground with the parking pass. We'll let you through the gate. But as far as it goes to like using the facilities, you're not going to have really any parking to use the facilities. You'll have to bike.
Okay, and then that brings up another question. So I know with the parking pass, you have you have access to the pier, all the different beaches. So the same thing will apply here, but you're going to have to drive around Canal Road to get to park any of those unless you have a bike.
Yes.
And then with a bike, you can just bike to the beach as long as you can carry everything with you.
Exactly.
So it is a little bit further away from the beach, but it's a lot, as you can see, it's a lot nicer. And you know, you're going to have to give up, some of the, a little bit longer drive if you want to, but I've already been through the bike path and it's just literally just a couple extra minutes if you're on a bike.
The bike path will put you on Gulf Oak Ridge. So if you're looking at a map, that is the trailhead it spits you out at.
One final thing, tell us about the alligators.
So there is around 5 ponds currently, and I think each one has a gator, if not 2. So
okay,
we have gators. We do. There's signs. Please don't feed the gators.
Hey, listen, even though it's Alabama, we still love the gators.
We do.
So what they have here is a saltwater pool instead of a chlorine pool. And if you ask me, that's always going to be better. They have the ADA chair here for the handicap, which is just a wonderful thing. Of course, we have all this new chairs, furniture, umbrellas. And this is just a beautiful pool with a resort-like feel. I love the architecture of the buildings here. It's just, I don't know, it just feels like a resort, but you're at a state park. Over here, look at this splash pad. This is not a concrete splash pad. It has the rubberized flooring, so the kids are probably not gonna fall, and if they do, it's gonna be a lot softer. And over there, you have a putting green. Uh-oh. Wonder if somebody saw me walking across there and turned that on. Luckily, I didn't get wet. But as you see those clouds, it looks like it's going to be wet here in a little while. So we have the putting green, 2 pickleball courts. You know those things are going to be jam-packed. And of course, look at this. This also has the rubber flooring instead of the concrete. Man, I'm going to have to get my grandkids out here. This place is awesome. Man, look at that. And it's all right here together. You don't have to go to separate places. So this is going, oh man, this place, we'll be coming over here. So that's the thing. If you're staying over at the other campground and you have your pass, you're able to come over here and go to this pool and access all these amenities, even though you're staying in the other campground. So they are all owned by the state, so you have all access, but shh, don't tell everybody. And then under here, if you want to get out of the sun, look at this nice furniture. I mean, it is really, really super nice. This looks like teak wood. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what it looks like. And man, just look at this place. It's just a resort at a state park.
So this is the Clubhouse. You can rent it out, and it's also just free for campers to use. It's going to be open from 8 to 5. We are going to have someone sitting in the front desk to answer any questions you have. If there is anything that we need to do to help you, we can do that. We're going to have a concession, so we'll have this rented out, and they are going to sell just snacks, food, drinks, everything like that. We have a small retail operation. With the retail operation, we're also going to sell like towels. We're going to have some more stuff. We're going to sell firewood out of this office as well. So, and then you can use the firewood at our fire pit. When you rent the facility, you can also rent out the kitchen. It's got 4 ovens, 2 microwaves, and a fridge that is free to use.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate it, Sophie. Thank you.
Of course.
Okay. Now let's talk about these sites. Man, they really thought these sites out. These are great sites. So these sites start at 600 and they go all the way up to 707. Check out these site numbers on these concrete pillars. Those are lit up, and of course they're going to have lights in there also. That is so super cool. And look at here how the concrete pads don't just come straight out. They actually turn for you to pull in and pull out and not go into grass. And if you come on back, I love these metal, I believe it's called corrugated metal picnic tables. There's no wood or anything to wear out over time to warp and come apart. So those are going to be here for a long, long time. And of course, grills just like at the other park. And then look at this fire pit right here. So these move around, but you have room to put your chairs around and build your fire. It looks like those are ADA, so those will be a little bit higher. These are the 4 ADA campsites right there, and they all have walkways for the wheelchairs to go up to the pool and over to the laundromat and over to the showers. So that's really super cool for the ADA that they included 4 of those. Oh, wow, I didn't just notice this. There's 2 water bibs, one on this side to hook up to your camper, and then one to hook an extra hose. Now, who would have thought of that? That's wild. And then look at this. Ground level sewer connect. You're an RVer, you know what that means. That's super cool. What do we have here? Well, of course, we have brand new 50 amp, 30 amp, and 120. Already got a couple of bees in there. So they have another side, but there's nothing in there. Oh, wow. These are super nice. Oh, yeah. ADA toilet, ADA shower, Man, me being a tile guy, I'm always gonna come in and check for lippage, make sure it's all done right. And whoever did this did an excellent job. I can tell they did a real good quality job. Of course, the standard showers are more than ample. 2 regular toilets, 1 ADA, and 2 urinals. More than enough. Look at these fixtures. Wow. This is super cool. Wow, look at this laundry room. Man. All brand new. I think it's going to be $2 for a dryer. Oh, my wife usually does the laundry. My wife always does the laundry. And I don't know what she pays, but I know she said some places are more expensive than others. So I don't know, you tell me if $2 is a good price for the dryer. I don't know, these are washers. They're all dryers, why are they? Oh, I see. Washers on the bottom, dryers on the top. Well, how convenient is that? Okay, that's super cool. Looks like they're gonna be $2 a load. I don't know, it's according to how big they are, I guess. But either way, super nice. I don't know what all these drawers are going to be for, but cabinets. But it is a super nice laundry room. I'm not sure if Sophie, if I ask her this, but there is 107 sites and they're going to have over 400-ish in the future total. So this is the old golf course. And I think there was 1,000 acres for the golf course. And this right here is only used like 60 of it. So they have plenty of room to expand. They already have all the water and electrical infrastructure over there to expand. So the expansion shouldn't take near as long as what this place took. I just love that they saved these old live oaks. I just love them. This playground is super cool. Man, I can't wait till the grandkids get here.
Sit down like a big boy.
Maverick's first slide.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I think my butt might be too big.
Uh-oh.
Mama's butt's too big.
It's not very slick, is it?
No, it's not slick. It's rough.
What do you think about that, Maverick?
I do know what he does like, though.
What? God, this is spongy. This walking on this, you don't have to worry about your kids getting hurt here.
Whee! Oh, hold on. You've done this before. You've done this before, Pup. You don't remember? Hold on. Mama, go gently. Mama, go gently. Just hold on. We'll go gently. There we go. We'll go gently. How about that?
Maverick, hey, buddy. Got it.
Say puppies are not allowed in the park, but it's not open yet, so we're taking advantage of it.
Oh, yeah, don't bring your dog in here. The park is not open yet, so
Yeah.
we have kind of exclusive access since we're volunteers here. Maverick, are you having fun with Mama?
So Mom's being able to pick up speed now.
Yeah.
He wasn't ready for the first one.
No.
He said, I hadn't done this in a while. I got to get the feel of my swing legs. See, I'm just a baby. You like that better than a slide, don't we? Are you going to sleep with your tongue out? Yeah, with your beautiful long eyelashes?
Oh, what about the spinny thing?
No, I don't think Maverick like that. Let me do it myself.
Well, I'm gonna spin you.
I don't want you to spin me, I'll throw up.
Stay.
Okay, that's enough. Hold on, let go, I can do it myself, see? Oh, I have to close my eyes though. Oh. Woo.
There we go. That's
Okay.
it right there.
Oh, I'm drunk, I gotta stop. Lord have mercy, when's it gonna stop? Oh, I can't open my eyes. Okay. No, I still can't open my eyes. Lord
Clothes are
have
falling
mercy.
off.
Huh? My what's falling off?
Clothes.
My clothes? Ooh, spinning makes my clothes fall. Well, I feel kind of drunk. I feel like I had some tequila, so it only makes sense that my clothes fall off. Okay, can you stop me, like, for real?
You stopped.
I mean, I'm not stopped because I'm about to throw up. Oh, I gotta sit here for a minute. Ooh, I wasn't meant to do that.
We have Chris here from Our Everyday Getaway. And you spent a couple weeks over at the South
Yes.
Campground, the older one.
Yeah.
And then you were headed out, and I guess
Yes.
we see you here. You
Yeah.
decided?
I checked with the boss, Katrina. As you guys know, those of you who are unfamiliar, my wife Katrina and I are full-time RVers, going on 5 years now, and we do have a YouTube channel called Our Everyday Getaway. And right now, Katrina's back home for a while, but I checked with her, and she said, you know what, just come on over here and hang out for a while, because I had 2 weeks to fill in
Right.
from here up to Charlotte.
Yeah.
So we said, well, the park's going to open up. Let's just go over here and hang out for a while. So my brother Perry and I are hanging out for 4 or 5 days just to check it out and stay in the area because we really enjoy the area.
Yeah. Oh, it's great. So I'm glad you get to come over and check it out. I know we did a video over here the other day, but it looks like you're the first one staying here. We have 3 camp hosts here, but you're the first RVer to check in here.
I know there's quite a few people coming in today.
Yeah.
And they'll let you do that. They'll let you, if you're already on the campground and you move to another site, and that site is open first thing in the morning, they'll let you move over.
Right.
So unlike if you're coming in for the first time, they prefer you wait till check-in time. So
Well,
work
cool.
out.
Listen, if y'all don't follow Our Everyday Getaway, Chris and Katrina here, also Boomer, you see him up there maybe?
He's up there in the mirror window.
Give them a subscribe, then like their channel, go check them out. Hope to see you again in the future, and hopefully we'll get back to the...
And thanks again for everything. You
Yeah.
guys were very kind enough to allow us to come over here the other day and hang out, and we went out to dinner the other night, had a good time.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot to send you the pictures. I'm sorry. I apologize.
I've got a picture.
Did you?
Of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So we went to Louisiana Lagniappe, and it's the best food in town. Is it not?
Fantastic place. Oh, that place was wonderful. I told Katrina, I said, I wish you were here with us. I said, this is the kind of place we could have really hung out and had a really good meal. I thought it was fantastic. Highly recommend it if you're in the area.
Well, Katrina, we hope to meet you next time. Chris, thank you so much, buddy.
Thanks, guys.
I love your brother Perry.
Thanks.
He's a super cool guy.
He's cool. He's the cool one.
Yep. Hope to see you again soon.
All right, guys, take care. We'll
Take
see you.
care.
Bye. See you, Maverick. See ya.
Thank you all for watching. We really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. It really does help our channel grow. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll put those links down in the description below, along with a link to follow Our Everyday Getaway. Make sure you tune in next week for more exciting adventures here at Gulf State Park. We love you all. See you next week.